Dr. Guru Shantake. Today I will give demo on determination of total hardness of water. Okay, all of you know that what is meant by hard water. Hard water, it is a water which does not give rather big soap. Here we will give we have to find out total hardness of water in the given water samples. Okay, in this there are two parts there. First part A and part B procedure. Yes, part A is preparation of standard disodium salt of PDTA solutions. And the second part is estimation of total hardness of waters. In the first part, that is the determination of total hardness of in the preparation of standard disodium salt of PDTA solutions. Okay, for this preparation, we have to take one volumetric flask and big funnels. Okay, in addition that observation book is required to note down the weight of the salt. Okay, now we will go to the weighing balance. This is the weighing balance. Okay, here we have to take weighing capsule containing EDTA salt. Okay, this one you have to keep it inside the weighing balance and note down the weight. Whatever the weight it shows, just you have to note down in the first line weighing bottle plus EDTA salt. Okay, then after that note down the weight. You have to transfer the salt into a volumetric flask with the help of funnel. Then you have to keep it inside the weighing balance. Note down the empty weighing bottles. Note down the empty weighing bottles. 13.647. Okay. This one divided by this one. This one minus this one, you will get the weight of EDTA salt. Weight of bottle plus EDTA minus weight of empty weighing bottles. You will get the weight of EDTA salt. We have to add 1 test tube of ammonia into the volumetric flask. Add 1 test tube of ammonia. Now add a little water and then dissolve the crystals. Dissolve if all the crystals will go inside the volumetric flask, remove the funnel, then dissolve the crystals. Okay, dissolve the crystals. If no crystals will be present in the bottom of the flask, then add water up to the mark. Add exactly equal to that mark. Then put the stoppers, okay, and shake it well to get uniform concentration. Shake it well and to get uniform concentration. This is the first part, preparation of standard EDTA solution. Okay, after that we have to go for the second part, estimation of total hardness of waters. Okay, whatever the solutions we have prepared, that one we have to fill into the burette. Okay. Here with the help of small funnel, we have to add standard EDTA solution or fill the standard EDTA solution to the burette. Exactly, we have to make it to 0 or adjust to 0. Lower viscous should be equal to that 0 mark. Then after that, we have to fix it into the stand and remove the funnel. Then we have to take a clean conical flask. Okay. Prepare out 25 cm cube of hard water into a clean conical flask. This hard water mainly consists of calcium and magnesium salts. Then after adding the 25 cm cube of hard water, we have to add 3 ml of buffer solution. 3 ml of buffer solutions with the help of measuring cylinder. Then add a pinch of Erichrome black tea indicators. You have to add a pinch, a small amount of Erichrome black tea indicators. You will get wine red colors. Okay. Then titrate against the standard EDTA solution until color changes from wine red to clear blue. Slowly you have to add drop by drop until color changes from wine red to clear blue. Okay, now the color changes, immediately you have to stop it. Immediately you have to stop it. Then note down the burette reading. Note down the burette reading. Whatever the burette reading it will shows, just you have to note down. And you have to enter into a observation book. Okay, here burette reading first trial will be there, final reading whatever the reading it will shows, just you have to note down. Now 8.9 is there. Initial reading it is 0.0. In the beginning we are adjusted to 0.0. Volume of EDTA rundown, final minus initial 8.9. Similarly we have to do a second trial and third trial, you have to do it. Then if you concordant readings you will get it, that one you have to note down. Whatever the concordant readings are least value you have to take for the calculation, that one you have to note down here. Then after that we have to calculate molarity. Okay, how to calculate molarity? Weight of EDTA salt into 4 divided molecular weight. Here weight of EDTA salt, this one minus this one, you will get the weight of salt. That one you have to substitute here into 4, weight of salt into 4 divided by 372, you will get the molarity. Whatever the molarity we will get, that one, that will be considered as A. You have to molarity, whatever the molarity you will get, that molarity into volume of EDTA rundown B into 100 divided by 1000 into 1. We will get the this one. Okay. Answer we will get it. Whatever the answer we will get it, that is the hard water in 25 cm cube. Okay, hard water present in 25 cm cube. That one you have to calculate for 10 power 6 ml, because hard water is expressed in terms of ppm of calcium carbonate. ppm means parts per million. Okay, here whatever the answer we will get, that in substitute here we will get the final answer. That one you have to show it in the result. Finally you have to write it.